back to my channel. This is Sakshi, and in today's video we are going to talk about 5 golden rules that will help you boost your productivity while you work from home. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly start the video. Rule number 1. Start your day right. So by start your day right, I don't mean that you be a morning person or you get up early. No. Whenever you get up, make sure you follow your daily routine which you used to do before this quarantine thing. So like I get up early, not so early, but like around 8:30 or 9. So I get up on time, I take shower, I do some exercise, I have my breakfast, and all the thing I used to do before, I'm still following them. So usually what happens, what most of us are doing, and even I was doing this before, I used to get up, but I used to feel so lazy that I used to lay throughout the day on my bed, which is so wrong. So yes, it is very important to start your day right. Maintain a diary like this. This is what I do. So by maintaining a diary, I mean that have a diary with yourself and write down your task in your diary. Like I write from 9 AM to 10 AM I'm supposed to do this, then 10 to 11 this, and 12 something, whatever it is. So I assign my task according to hours. So by this I will know what all I have done throughout the day, and also I know that what all I have to do throughout the day. So it is a very nice planning thing, you can say, and just tick mark the task which you complete. Also you can note down the points which come in your mind. Like suppose you're watching TV but something clicks your mind, you can write it down in your diary so that you don't forget it. Golden rule number 3, which is to dress up. So what we all are doing nowadays is, because we all are working from home, or at least most of us are working from home, we are staying in our pajamas throughout the day or in our night suit throughout the day and then working. Like this is so informal. Just get up, when you take shower, dress up properly like you dress up for your office. By this you will get a sense of responsibility, sense of being accountable for things. You will realize that okay, you are working from home. Like you won't feel like home, like you're not doing anything from home, but you will get a sense that okay, yes, I am working from home. Golden rule number 4, which is to have a proper workspace. So in India we don't have separate rooms. Like most of us don't have separate rooms. So you can take a corner of your room, and in that place you can ask your parents like, okay, I'm going to work here, do not disturb me whenever I sit there. So you can allot a specific space or specific area for you to work, but it should not be your bed. Please don't work on your bed. You can either sleep or work. You will have that lazy feel throughout the day if you work on your bed, but have a proper space, and you will be super productive when you'll work from your workspace. And the 5th point is eating right. Now you must be thinking, how come eating right is related to productivity? It is. When we binge while working, we cannot focus on our work but only the snacks, and then more snacks, and then more snacks. So we gotta avoid that, because not only it distracts our productivity, it distracts us from work, but also it makes us gain weight, and weight gain means we are welcoming many diseases. So you should not eat snacks throughout the day. Yes, have some time to eat your proper meals and fruits and juices and all those, but please do not eat snacks, candies and chips and all that. Please avoid that. So yep, these were the 5 golden rules that can help you out in increasing productivity level while you work from home for sure. So just let me know if you guys like the video. Do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care. Bye.